How to use virtual card on Standard Bank. Now I won't be able to show you using my mobile phone because I don't have a Standard Bank account yet because this is not yet operational in our country. But I can walk you through on how to use Standard Bank. Now if you already installed Standard Bank on your mobile device, all you have to do is to log into your account and then below you click on Manage tab. After Manage tab, you click on Cards. You will be provided with two options, physical or virtual cards. Just simply tap on virtual cards. Now on the next page, you have to tap on the plus sign that says Add Cards. And then you will be routed to the page to choose the type of card you want. Now after you decide which card you want, next page is to create a 5-digit code. And then after that, you're almost finished. You just need to top up the card balance so you can start making purchases online. So that's how you use a virtual card with Standard Bank.